Hello. Today we are going to see how we can build a heat map, a simple heat map, and then how we can add features to it, whatever you want to do. It's very simple and straightforward. And I will go through the steps, and then in the meanwhile, you can follow these steps, and then you can perform on your own R console. So first of all, what I'm doing here is that I'm setting it as working directory. So if you know the basics so far, then it's good to set the working directory where you're working. For example, this heatmap.txt file is saved in this folder, e/video/heatmap. So first of all, I'm just clicking it set as working directory, and then you can see it's set as this directory in E. But if you want to do it yourself, you can put this all the same, this whole address here before heatmap.txt, and then you can directly read the file. So setting the working directory would help you to directly write the name of the file, and then you can go directly to the you can directly read it. So first command is that I am using read.table, and read.table would read this text file, and the header is true, and the file is separated by tabs. So if I just run this file, then you can see, yeah, so this is save in A, and A has, down here if you see down here that it's um, saved in A, the read.txt. And now if I want to see, if I just want to show you that head A, here you can see that this file contains three columns. First column contains the gene name, and the second column contains the information of that gene. For example, here I'm saying that we have low grade tumors and high grade tumors. So in the low grade tumor, the expression of gene is this value, or any number of the gene is this, and then the high grade, the value is this. So you can, whatever your question is, you can make the same text tab separated file, and you can read it by this way. So yes, so here, if from this command, the next command is heat map. So it's very simple. If you just directly use this command heat map, and use the metrics, use this table as dot metrics, and click it, and then you can see that it has built the file here on the right side. So what things are missing here and what things are included here? It's the simple heat map command is actually giving you a default colors, and also it is clustering row wise and column wise both. And on the right side, you can see that these gene names are actually not shown here. It's just 1254, the number of the gene present in the particular row. So how we can do it? For example, now we want to save the names of the genes which are present in this A. So we will use name, and then we will save those files here. And yes, and then the next command is that if we put those names as the row names of the heat map, we use row names, then names, and then from the A, what we are saving here, the names present in the first column here. You can see here, for example, if I just put here, you can see I want to see here is that these all names are present here, gene 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it will be saved in the row names of the heat map. Now if I just run the same command again, first it was A, and now heat map names, you can see now, yeah, this is the new one. Now you can see that all the files gene names are here, gene 1, 2, 5, 4, 6, 7. They are clustered row wise and column wise. But if you want to do it simply, like you don't want to cluster it into different groups, you can just use these command row V and column V as NA, so that it will not cluster the heat map. So if you just click this command and you click run, and now you can see that it's numerically all of the genes are clustered, like gene 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. From downside, you can see all of them are clustered. So this one is the simple one, and it shows you how to make a simple heat map. And from the next tutorial or next step, we can go through how to make a specific heat map if we want to give a specific color to the heat map we are generating. And if yeah, so I will just upload the follow-up video after this so that you can follow both the most simplest heat map as well as this one, a bit of colors we can add into this heat map. Thank you very much. See you. Bye bye.